we completed 3 steps. Universe parameters window, adding the required tables to the universe. Third step, making the joins. Fourth step, before going to the fourth step, I gave an assignment. Did anybody try?
I just get back from work,
I
but
gave
in the weekend I'm gonna try them all.
Okay. What I gave the assignment? I told you please create one universe using the motor connection, right? Using motor connection, create new one. Providing the name as loop. Drop down the connection. Test it. First save it. Then take the tables. I told you 5 tables. Country, region, client, sale, showroom. Totally, I told you 5 tables. View, arrange tables. Then the tables will be aligned in a proper way automatically. These are the required tables I told to you. Then create the joins. Successfully joins created. Automatic creation of left hand side panel. Save it. Go for testing. Which universe? We created one universe.
No.
Try to create a report, country name and showroom name. Try to run the report. I got the error. So this is the error I'm expected from you. This is the error I expected. Why it is giving the error? Are we done any mistake in the universe? Have a look.
Maybe no common information between
We didn't do any mistake. Have a look. Have a look on your structure. All are inner joints only. I didn't do any mistake there. Have a look.
Yeah.
Have a look on that. Is there any problem of any joints?
No.
No.
We created joints perfectly, but I'm unable to get the data in report creation. Okay, why it happened? I'm removing the any one join. Just simply I'm removing the country to showroom join. I'm removing. Okay, just one join is removed. Save the universe. Go for a testing. What is the universe name?
Yes.
Now try to create a report, country name and anyone. Now I got the data. Okay, country name and region name I got. Okay. If I create again the join country to showroom, save the universe, go for a testing. Tools, universes, refresh, create a report. Same previous report only, country name and region name. Try to run the report. Now I got the error. If I remove this join, save it, to create the country name and region name, okay, reflecting the changes first, create a report now. Same country name and region name. I can get the data now. So what is the difference? When I create a join between these tables, if I remove that join, what happening there? Nothing but
Loop is formed.
yeah, exactly. Loop is forming. What is the loop? The complete closed path. There is no gap between any two tables. That is created a closed circuit. See that automatically. If I remove this join, I have some gap. Still it is open.
Yes.
If I create this join, automatically closed. All the tables are linked together. So that is called a loop. What is a loop? A loop is a closed path.
So we
Why?
can't.
Yes, tell me, Leo.
Yeah, we can't close it. I mean, we can't close the loop in order to run the table.
Unfortunately, based on my requirements, when I am creating the joins, automatically it forms the loops. Okay. Requirement is you have to create those many joins. But unfortunately, it formed the loop. So while creating the joins, very carefully you have to observe. Based on the requirements, when creating the joins, you will get loop problems. You will get loop problems. So what is a loop? Is a closed path by set of joins. How to recognize them, whether it is a loop or not? By seeing, I can say. How to recognize them? By seeing that structure, I can say that the path is closed. All the joints are linked together. It forms the loop, I can say. But if it is not clear to you, then we can do the compilation. By doing the compilation also, we can tell what are the problems are available. Tools menu. Check integrity. The compilation of universe. The compilation of the universe. Let's have a look. Tools menu. Check integrity. Check all. This is the compilation. That means we can find the errors. It is showing structure okay, objects are okay, but if you expand it, the respective path also will be highlighted automatically. If I click on that, see that? The join has started from country to region. It went to the client, it went to the sale, it went to the showroom. Again, the join ended on the same country table. Then automatically it formed the loop. So this is the recognizing. How I can recognizing? By doing this check integrity, the compilation of the universe. So after creating the joins, if you want to know the errors of the universe, please go to the tools menu, check integrity, not only for the joins, the complete problems list it will identify to you. Any related problems to structure, any related problem to objects, any related problems to joins, conditions, it is showing one loop. This is the direction. If I select that, then automatically the respective loop, the respective closed path is highlighted. This is the loop. Due to this loop, I am getting the error in the report creation level. So that there is a loop. If I am trying to create a report, it is giving the error to me. Try to create a report now which is having the loop problem, but you are trying to create a report. You are trying to create a report, it is giving the automatically error to you. Why it is giving the error? Because of the loop problem in the universe. Still the loop problem, but you didn't resolve it. That's the reason it is giving the error. So you have to resolve. That is your fourth step of the universe creation. Fourth step, resolving the loop problem. How to resolve? By setting the cardinality of all the joins. What is cardinality? Is a term which shows the relationship between the tables. What type of relation I can set between the tables?
One to many.
One to many,
One.
many to one, or one to one.
Many to many.
But never many to many.
Oh.
Vivo doesn't support the many to many. Either I have to set the relation as a one to many, or many to one, or one to one. Understand the functionality one by one. You have to set the cardinality of all the joins. One by one join, you have to modify. How to modify? Set the required join, double click. Double click on the join between country and region. Then this is the join box window. In this join box window, the centrally there is a cardinality box is there.
Yeah.
This is the cardinality box. What should be the relation? Try to understand the functionality. Left hand side country table, right hand side region table. What should be the relation?
Could be multiple countries in one.
One country will have many regions.
One to many.
One should be left hand side, and should be right hand side. Click on OK. Then automatically see the representation. Previously only straight line, but now it is showing
One line
the
to many
cone
line.
symbol. Wherever
One
the
line
many
to-
is going, you can observe. Where the many is going towards region, the many is going. So wherever the many is going, that crone symbol is showing. Okay. Wherever the one is started, it is simply just one symbol. Now, coming to the region to client join. Double click on the region to client join. What should be the relation from region to client?
One to many.
One to many. One reason will have many clients.
Yeah.
One radio button should be left hand side region level. N should be right hand side. Click on OK. Click on OK. Then where the menu is going, see that? Wherever the menu is going, that symbol is showing to you. Okay. Then client to sale. What should be the relation? Client to sale.
One client to many sales.
Client to sale. One client will have many sales.
Yeah.
One should be left hand side. N should be right hand side.
Right.
Coming to the country to showroom. Country to showroom join.
How the
What
sales
should be
to
the
showroom?
relation? One country will have many showrooms.
Many show.
Click on OK. One showroom to sale. One showroom will have many sales. Click on OK. So this is the work you have to do. Then the system will give solution to you. Set the cardinality. Then system will refer the solution. Okay. Based on the cardinality, system will refer the either alias method or context method. What is alias method? What is alias? Is an exact duplicate.
With change of name.
Original table with the new name. Okay. When to go for alias? A loop with single lookup table. What is lookup table? How to identify? A table which is having one radio button, not an symbol. Yes. Lookup table, a table which is having only one radio buttons, not many radio buttons. Out of all those tables, tell me that which table doesn't contain that many symbol. Very good. Country table doesn't contain that many symbol. For this join, where the one is started, countryside. For this join, where the one is started, countryside. So country table, see that it doesn't contain the symbol. Remaining all the tables, left hand side, many is coming inside, one is going outside. For client table, many is coming inside, one is going outside. The sale table, always many. Showroom table, left hand side many is coming, right hand side many. But country table, it doesn't contain the many symbol. That is the lookup table. A table which is having only one type of the relations. That is the lookup table. Then when to go for alias, a loop with a single lookup table. If I have the lookup table, that type of the table, if I have only one, then the system will refer the solution as a alias method. How the system will give solution? After setting the cardinality, go to the tools menu, automated detection, click on detect loops. Then the system will refer the solution. Go to the tools menu, automated detection, click on the detect loops. Now it gave solution automatically. See the solution? This loop can be resolved with an alias. If you click on insert alias, loops are 0 by 0. Close this box. Automatically what happens? See that. One duplicate table is inserted. It is a duplicate of table of which table?
Country.
It is a duplicate table of country. Why it has taken the duplicate for country? Why not region? Why not client?
The lookup table.
Country table is my lookup table. That is the reason it has taken the country table as a lookup table, and the alias, that is duplicate table, is inserted for the lookup table. Now you can do the compilation. If you still have any doubts, do the compilation. Any problems? Now those joins are not closed. That loop was broken. That closed path was broken. Now I have some gaps. Now I can get the data. Okay, so this is the way how we can get the data by resolving the loop. This is one method. This is the alias method. Got it? Any doubts?
No. Very clear.
So whenever
Could I witness the initial conversation? What was it when it was making a round loop? The problem was, what was exactly the problem?
problem in the report creation level, it will give the error. See that error while creating the report. If it is closed, that is the error. It is appearing to you. Can you see the error?
Yeah.
That is the error. It is appearing while creation of report. That's the reason we have to resolve it in the inverse designing level. So inverse designing level, this is the method. This is one method, alias method. You have to resolve the loop. Now you will get the data. Save the universe. Come to the report creation. Create the report now. You can create a report now. See that? I got the data. But previously, I didn't get the data because of the loop. But now, that loop is resolved. That's the reason I got the data. So this is the way, whenever there is a loop in the universe, you will get the error in the report creation level. That is the reason we have to resolve it. That is your fourth step of universe creation. Resolve the loop problem. So how to resolve? By setting the cardinality. What is cardinality? Setting the relation. System will give a solution based on the cardinality. One method is the alias method. This is alias method. If I have single lookup table in my loop, it will refer the solution as the alias method. Very good. We'll create one more universe. Go for new creation, Vandana. File menu, create new one. Okay. Close and open again, giving some problem. You can create now. Go to the file menu, create new one. Give the name as a loop 2. Use the connection as a E fashion. Save the universe. Save it. Take the required tables. No problem, replace it. Take the required tables. Article underscore lookup. That is one. Calendar underscore year underscore lookup. shop underscore facts, product underscore promotion underscore facts. Insert them. Close this. Okay, now I will arrange the tables. Okay, create the joins from article to shop fact. What is the common column? Article ID. Click on OK. Then shop facts to calendar. No need to select. Just directly you can just right click and join.
Week ID.
Common column.
Week ID.
What is the common column?
Week ID.
Week ID. Yes. Then calendar to product promotion fact.
Week ID too.
Week ID.
Yes. Wait. Yeah. Product promotion fact. Calendar to product promotion fact. What is the common column? Week ID only. Product promotion facts to article lookup.
Article ID.
Article ID. Click on OK. Okay. That is my requirement. That's the reason I created my tables and the joins I created. Drag and drop. Save the universe. Create a report. Universe name is loop 2. Try to create a report. Here, amount sold. Try to run the report. Did you get any data? It's getting the error. Are we done any mistake in the universe? We didn't make a mistake. We just created the joins only.
But it's in the loop.
Unfortunately, I'm not getting the
Close loop.
because it formed the loop. See that? All the tables are linked together. There is no space. There is no gap between two tables. There is no gap. How to recognize easily? Tools. Check integrity. Check all. It will sort out the errors to you. It gave the solution. It gave the, yes, this is the direction. This is the direction that loop has created. From the article, the join has started. Article to shop facts it went. Shop facts to calendar it went. Calendar to product promotion fact. Again the join has ended on the article lookup. Then automatically a complete closed path has created. Okay, we recognize that this is the loop. Then how to resolve? We recognize that this is the loop. Okay, this direction, the complete closed path has created. Then how to resolve? Set the cardinality for all the joins. How to set the cardinality? Double click on each and every join. Set the cardinality. What should be the relation? Article to shop fact. One article will have many shop facts. Always the fact table contain the many.
Yeah.
Shop facts to calendar. Always the fact table contain the many. Many to one to many. Set the cardinality of all the joins. Now how many lookup tables are there? Previous example, I have only single lookup table. That's the reason it gave solution as the alias method. Okay.
Yes, two tables.
Here I have two tables. One is article and one is calendar. Now go for the resolving. How to resolve? Go to the tools menu. Automated detection. Click on detect loops. Then it gives solution. Candidate context. Previous method it gave the solution as alias method. Automatically one duplicate table has inserted. That is alias method. Then the second method is the context method. Second method, context. What is context? It is set of joins which defines valid paths to generate the report. That means if I have a table A here, I have a table B. I don't have a direct relation from table A to table B, but I have the relation. I can go from table A to table C, then I can reach the table B. I can go from table A to table D, then I can reach the table B. So what are the possible routes to reach
ACB,
from table A to table B?
ACB and ADB.
Yeah. One route I can go from table A to table C, then I can reach table B. Another possible route. So how many possible routes are there? Two possible routes. That is nothing but context. The possible routes, this is 1, this is 2. Splitting the query into possible routes. So that is the context method. What's going to be happen here? Let's see here. It gives solution as a context. Click on the context. Yeah. It identified two possible routes are required. One for the shop facts, one for the product. So two possible routes are required to resolve this loop. See that? The complete path, one for the product, the complete path for the shop. So the complete joins are split into two directions. If you need the data, article, shop and the calendar, the query will generate in this direction. That is a shop underscore facts context. See the right hand side context box. The possible contexts are showing there. Two possible contexts are showing. One for the product underscore promotion underscore facts. This is the possible route to get the article, product and the calendar information. Shop, product. These are the two possible routes. That is called context method. So how this box will appear? View, list mode. If you want to unhide that context box, joins box, tables, the possible tables what you have here in the structure panel. Tables are showing, joins are showing, and also context also showing. That is view, list mode. You can hide, you can show. If you want to see all the list of tables, all the list of joins, all the list of contexts, view, list mode, simply we can identify where is my table, where is my join, where is my complete context. You can identify easily. If you want to unhide, view, again click on the list mode, it will hide to you. So this is the context method, the possible routes. That is called context method. So this is the way you can resolve the loop, your fourth step of universe, resolving the loop. Alias method,
Context.
context method. What is alias? When to go for alias?
Only one lookup table.
Single lookup table. Alias method. More than one lookup table.
Correct.
Context method. I will give one assignment. You can try that. Use the club connection. Take 3 tables. Country, region, resort. Create 3 joins. Country to region, region to resort, resort to country. Okay, 3 joins. Then loop will be formed. Then resolve it. That is one assignment. Assignment 2, PPT number 9, page number 14. Try to create that structure using motor connection. Then resolve.
You mean by the structure, which is the uniport and the joint and everything, right?
I am going to show that PPT. One moment.
Sure.
Page number 14. This is the PPT. This is the structure you have to create. You have to create this structure, those many tables, those many joins. You have to create by using the motor connection. All these tables are available on the motors connection. You can use that motor connection. You can try to create those many joins. Then the loop will be formed. Just to take this structure only. You don't need to look on that complete slides. Just to take this slide and take these tables and try to create those many joins. Then the loop will be formed. Then you have to resolve it. These are the 2 assignments you have to do before coming to the tomorrow's class. Not a problem. If you have a free time, you can do. Otherwise, I will explain on tomorrow class. Got it?
Sure.
So this is the very important step in the universe creation. Out of all those 6 steps, this step is very important. If any problem is there, you have to resolve. If no problem, it's okay. Whenever the problem, you have to resolve it. This is a very important step in the universe creation. Tell me, Leo.